This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Margaret Shinnebarger. Lovely 2-habs unit on second floor with enclosed lanai overlooking garden. Nicely upgraded with wood laminate floors, newer shower. Laundry facility next door on second floor. Private lanai. Close to shopping and beaches. No rental waiting period. Unfurnished and ready to move in. For more information, review the details below or contact Margaret Shinnebarger at 954-693-0100.